Do you hate it when this happens? It could potentially break your guide. Well, let me show you a way to prevent this. With the main leader coming from your rod, that will be your braid, and then going to your leader, which is going to be the mono that's going to go to your fly, your first fly. And with this 3-way swivel, we are not going to need this anymore because this is going to add weight, and we're going to eventually add the sinker. But next up here, we're going to put a loop on the leader like that, as you can see, and then you're gonna do twice, 1 and 2. Okay, so you're gonna go around twice on that leader, and then now your tag end is gonna go into the loop that you created on your left hand. The tag end of that leader is gonna go into the loop, all right, in there, and then you're gonna pull it, and now you're gonna create a figure 8, or kind of like a yin yang symbol. All right, now it's a number 8, so it looks like more like 8 now, or like an infinite symbol. And you're gonna grab your braided line, that tag end coming from your rod tip. It's gonna go into the hole that you see here. It's gonna go into this hole and out the other hole. All right, so very simple. You're gonna pull it out the other hole here. See that? Just like so. And then now you're gonna give yourself some room. So give yourself a lot of room to work with your tag end, and you're gonna lubricate and then cinch it. So I got water here, gonna lubricate there, and then I'm gonna pull that leader, that mono leader. I'm gonna pull that tight, and that figure 8 is gonna shut, and it's gonna cinch tight onto the main line. And that's what you want. You want to cinch as tight as you can. And here on, you are now gonna pinch by that knot that you created, and you are gonna use this main line, that braided line, and now you're gonna loop it like so, and you're gonna wrap it at least 6 times. And be sure to not wrap it too close or over the knot that you first initially created. So you're gonna wrap it 6 times, and that's all you need. 6. You don't need 7. You don't need to go 10. 6 is plenty strong enough. And you're gonna lubricate that. You're gonna lubricate that, and then you're gonna cinch it. Okay, so you don't want to go past that knot. You're gonna lubricate, and you're gonna pull on your main line, which is your braided line. You pull that to cinch this and to put it together, as you can see here. It's gonna look real nice, very neat, like that. Okay. And now here's the fun part. You want to lubricate between the 2 knots, and you're gonna pull the main leader, and you're gonna pull the main braided line, and it's gonna come together. The 2 knots gonna come together, and this is gonna form the GT knot, one of the strongest knot. And you're gonna cut the tag in from the braided line. And now this tag in from the main leader mono line, you're gonna tie your sinker, your pencil sinker. So this line, this tag end of this mono line is gonna become the line that's gonna hold your sinker to your line, okay? So I'm just doing a simple polymer knot here. You can do whatever kind of knot, clinch knot, whatever you like to tighten up your pencil weight. And as you can see here, this is now the complete process for the main leader line that's gonna go to your sinker. The rest of that mono main leader line is gonna go to your fly. And that is it. Your GT knot. No more 3-way swivel. Boom.